There's a moment in every person's life when the world suddenly feels unfamiliar. Things look the same, yet something inside you whispers, "Look again." You're breathing the same air, walking the same streets, talking to the same people, but your eyes feel different, as if you're seeing life from behind a thin veil that's about to tear open. It's the moment when your inner sight activates, when the universe stops speaking in silence and starts whispering in symbols. When your intuition switches from a quiet nudge to a loud, undeniable presence. This moment, subtle, strange, electric, is the first sign that the serpent of consciousness sleeping at the base of your spine is slowly, deliberately beginning to wake. This is Kundalini, not a concept, not a trend, but an ancient force coiled within the human body for thousands of years, waiting for the one moment you finally notice that your eyes are seeing differently. Today, you won't just learn about Kundalini. You will feel the journey. You'll understand the 7 gateways. You'll sense the energy rising, and you'll realize why awakening is not chaos. It's clarity. Let's begin. The sleeping serpent, understanding Kundalini. At the base of your spine lies a power so old, so sacred, so misunderstood that ancient teachers hid it in metaphors. A coiled serpent, asleep, silent, patient. But Kundalini is not a snake, it's awareness. Pure, raw, unfiltered consciousness. The life force that lights your eyes, animates your breath, drives your intuition, and connects your physical body to your spiritual identity. Most people live their entire lives without waking it. Not because they're incapable, but because their eyes remain locked on the material world. Kundalini begins when your sight turns inward, when your inner eye blinks for the first time, and the moment you feel that shift, even if it's small, confusing, or strange, you've already entered the doorway. The first signs of awakening, what nobody tells you. Kundalini doesn't announce itself with lightning. It begins like a whisper, a sensation, a ripple in your awareness. And strangely, it begins in your eyes. Here are the real signs beginners feel. 1. Your eyes begin noticing what others ignore. Patterns, repetitions, symbols. Your vision feels zoomed out. You notice energy instead of objects. 2. You feel a pressure between your eyebrows, a warmth, a pulse, a vibration behind the skin, like something is trying to open, because it is. 3. You feel a wave of energy rising in the spine, not pain, not fear, just movement, like your body suddenly remembers a rhythm your mind forgot. 4. Your dreams become vivid, symbolic, or prophetic, not imagination, communication. 5. You feel like something inside you is waking up, even if you can't explain it, even if you don't understand it. You feel it. These experiences aren't accidents. They're the first sparks of the serpent's eyes opening. Why Kundalini awakening happens? Kundalini rises when you're ready, not emotionally, not mentally, but energetically. It happens when your soul is tired of repeating the same cycles. Your intuition becomes louder than your fears. Your eyes want to see the truth behind the illusion. Your past no longer matches your future. Your energy refuses to stay asleep. Awakening isn't a reward, it's a response. A response to the call your soul has been making quietly for years. When the universe sees that desire glowing in your energy, it answers. The journey through the chakras. Gateways of awakening. Kundalini rises through 7 gates. Each gate transforms a part of you. Each gate changes the way you see yourself in the world. Let's walk through them, not spiritually but energetically, as if you're feeling the serpent rise right now. Root chakra, the awakening spark. The serpent opens its eyes. Your stability cracks. Old fears surface. You question your identity. You question your foundation. This is not chaos. This is cleansing. You're not breaking, you're being rebuilt. Sacral chakra. The stirring your emotions intensify. Your creativity shifts. Your desires return with new depth. Relationships feel different. You see through people instantly. Your emotional eyes open here. Solar plexus. The rising heat. A fire awakens inside you. Courage ignites. Boundaries strengthen. You stop playing small. You see your worth like never before. This is where self-doubt dies. Gravy. Heart chakra. The unveiling. Love feels bigger. Pain feels clearer. People's intentions become transparent. Compassion grows without effort. Your heart becomes a second set of eyes. Throat chakra. The truth surge. Your voice changes. Your communication sharpens. You stop lying to yourself. You stop tolerating lies from others. You speak truth with calm certainty. Third eye. The inner vision opens fully. This is where the serpent pauses, looks around, and everything shifts. You see energy. You feel intentions. You receive insight without thinking. Your intuition becomes effortless. Your outer eyes watch the world. Your inner eye watches the truth. This is the moment most people call spiritual awakening. The ascent, the final door, the divine connection, the realization that you are not a body with a soul, you are a soul with a body. Here, the serpent rises into pure awareness, and you finally understand why your entire life felt like preparation for this moment. The real purpose of Kundalini. Kundalini is not about powers, not about rituals, not about supernatural experiences. It is about awareness, liberation, clarity, truth, inner vision, higher consciousness, seeing with the eyes of the soul. Your entire life, you've seen the world with two eyes. When Kundalini rises, you begin seeing with three. How Kundalini changes your life. The shockingly real effects. Here's what truly happens after awakening. 1. Your intuition becomes your dominant sense. You stop guessing, you start knowing. 2. Your energy becomes magnetic. People feel you before you speak. 3. Your fears lose power because you're no longer controlled by them. 4. Your mind becomes clear and direct. No mental fog, no confusion, just flow. 5. Your purpose becomes obvious. You finally see why you're here. 6. Your eyes stop seeing life and start seeing truth. This is the most powerful shift of all. The final twist. Kundalini doesn't change you, it reveals you. You were never becoming awakened. You were remembering who you already were. Kundalini doesn't add anything to your life. It removes everything that blocked your vision. It strips your fears, your conditioning, your false identities, your limiting beliefs, your illusions, until only your truth remains. You don't rise into enlightenment. You uncover it. The moment the eyes within you fully open. Kundalini awakening is not a climb. It is an unfolding, a remembering, a return, a moment where your two physical eyes stop being your only source of vision, and your inner eye becomes the lens through which you experience life. If you're watching this video, you weren't drawn here by accident. Your energy led you. Your intuition whispered. Your inner eye is already beginning to open. Welcome to your awakening. It has already begun. May night.